Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just doing like a little review of 3 products that I really enjoy. I just wanted to share them with you guys because they're inexpensive and they're good quality and everybody loves a good deal. After I moisturize, the first product that I have tried before but I couldn't remember like my results for it because I wasn't really into makeup at the time, but now that I am, I really wanted to do a review of it for you guys. It's an e.l.f. primer. I believe it's like $10. I am a fan of like thicker primers. I like something that I can put on my hands, smooth over my face, really feel like it's getting in there, and I just really like the price of this one. I like the quality of this one. So for a $10 primer, you can't go wrong. So I just take a little bit amount like that, and it feels thick putting it on, but it's not. Like, once you put it on, your face feels really good. So I spend a lot of time around the eyes because I get these creases around my eyes. I get these creases around my nose. I really try to get there. And then I get these creases on my forehead. I really just try to get in there. Okay, so I actually did one of the steps before I was supposed to because I forgot about it because I don't usually use concealer, but I did buy this one because I have used this before and I love it. It's like $10 from Walgreens or from Walmart, and it is an Age Rewind Erase Dark Circles, and it is awesome. It really just kind of highlights those areas and gets rid of that dark circle that I clearly have because I have 2 children and I'm in school. So now that I got that on, it really does look good. My lighting is not that great in here, so maybe that'll kind of help a little bit. The one that I just was so eager to jump to was this setting powder. Now, I have heard tons of things about it. People have been using it forever. I always wanted to try it, but I was like, I don't know. And after trying it one time, I'm sold. It was $8.49, and it's awesome. It's really messy. It kind of smells like your grandma, but that's not always a bad thing. It's kind of messy, and I really don't feel like I can get in my eye like I want. So I just stick it in the parts where you like to bake. One thing that I did notice with the Maybelline translucent powder is when you took photos, you had that backflash where it looked really white and your whole face kind of looked one color, whereas this does not have that effect, and it is translucent powder, so it really works. This is the fair one. I am a pasty little girl and I do not need a neutral color because, well, I'm not neutral anywhere on my body. Just kind of like everywhere. I didn't even peel the plastic off. So I'm gonna let this sit for a second, and I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my eyes a little bit. And so I'm going to I'm gonna go with this green. Why not? What did I do? Okay. Well, that was the biggest mistake of my life. Oh God, why did I do this? I literally just messed up this whole video right now. Oh God. Oh my God. Ew. So we're just gonna keep on trucking and hope this comes out good. We're gonna buff this bad boy out. Ugh. Let's try green. Who did I think I was? So I'm gonna attempt to make this look decent. And I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna conceal this disaster. Just kidding. I'm gonna use this to kind of it. Bad thing about this is you really have to trust the process. That's never been more true. I didn't think this would get any worse. Alright, to finish this monstrosity, lashes! Honestly, the eyeliner is what ruined it. If I would have just left it alone, it would have been fine. But you know, I don't listen. So I'm gonna slap some lips on this. I'm gonna use the iconic Calabasas Jeffree Star. And then I'm gonna go soak my face. Here up close. I wouldn't go out like this. And it's only right now because my wing eyeliner that I literally tried for the first time like right now is super thick right here. So let's do a close-up, shall we? Thank you for watching this monstrosity of a video. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It didn't go as planned at all. It looks awful up here when it comes to the eyeliner. I should have just left it alone, added mascara to it, and called it a day because now it's way too thick. And now I gotta peel this off and hope my eyelids don't burn off. I don't know how anybody does this every single day to their winged eyeliner. I don't even understand that. And I'm pretty sure the brand I'm using is a bad one because my eyelids are burning. So hopefully I won't get like conjunctivitis or something. So every time I close out my videos that I've noticed, I would be like, thanks for watching, like I'm on Disney Channel, like back in the day when they're like, this is Hannah Montana and you're watching Disney Channel. Dun, 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 dun. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you next time.